Can you get it? Rachel, what are you doing? Hey, Rachel. You want your toy? Come and get it. Good job. You're almost there. Go get it. Can you go get it? Hey. You're almost there. You're almost there. Go get it. Hey. Where's your toy? Oh boy. I know, scooting's fun, isn't it? Here. Where's your toy? Where's your toy? Go get it. Can you get it? You don't want it. Here. Come this way. Come get it. Come get the toy. So close. So close. One more. One more scoot and you'll have it. There you go. There you go. Good job, Rachel. Yeah, you got it.